The second question was about the wealth before I became governor. Before I became governor, my wealth was about close to, let's say, over 200 million. By that time, I had already invested, and the investments have been able to grow. What I presented were assets in terms of land that I had acquired from monies that I got when I worked in the Middle East, businesses that I had been able to start. In the form, self-declaration form, I'd also listed a few of the companies that I own, that I'm a shareholder in that list, and that shows my source of income that will be able to continue. Within the next 10 years, by God's blessing, I hope to have doubled my income through the businesses that are there thriving. As a Minister of Foreign Affairs, I'll not be able to participate in business much. I'll be taking care of, if I'm approved, will be taking care of the foreign interests of this country. But the businesses will take a life of their own. There's